Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is having a great day today. I did want to talk about a knife I did design and a manufacturer in Japan did put it together for me. I know a lot of you don't know this about me, but I have been drawing out knives for a long time now. Fixed blades and also folders. This is my first folder that I drew up the concept, and this company in Japan helped me put it together. I did want to show you that it does have full G10 handle. There is nothing but G10, and the blade here, it does have ball bearings and the inside here to make it snap open easier, and this is made out of D2 steel. It does have a satin finish and it is a flat grind. So I am going to get a little closer and show you a little bit more about this blade. As you can see, it has a very nice stainless steel satin clip as well. So let's go ahead and let's talk a little bit more about this knife. So I wanted to draw up something that would be a companion to a fixed blade and help with game processing, food processing, and camp chores around the campsite, small bushcraft tasks, stuff like that. So I did go with a draw point, almost like a kitchen knife type blade with a flat grind on it, and it does have some very nice subtle jimping up here. The jimping right here is the same jimping that you have up here when you snap it open. This same jimping is going to be down here, so when you put your hand down here, it's going to have this subtle jimping down here that's going to help with not having a slip problem and your hand going into the blade. That's why I wanted to go with like a ergonomic design here where it would fit in your hands and you'd be able to hold it nice and tight, and plus have this top jimping here up on top to be able to do some really fine tasks as well. And I wanted to go with a all-around G10 handle, but something that would be a non-slip G10, not something that would be so nice and slippery, but something that would be a little grippy but not as aggressively grippy. So I went with that, and as you can see, it is full 100% G10. The only liner that is in here is the line lock here for the blade itself, and the other thing you do have is this back spine back here that connects into this line lock here, and you also do have stainless steel screws here, and this one should never be unadjusted. That's where the ball bearings go in the inside here to make the blade swing open as fast as it does. And you do have a clip that just goes on one side. I did not put a lanyard hole on this knife. It is just a clip on one side, and it does have this really nice satin finish. And right here you do have a darker satin finish, and the same thing with the liner lock in the inside. You do have a satin finish as well. Okay everyone, so the next thing I did want to talk about is dimensions. So we're looking at a cutting surface of 3.5 inches, and we're also looking at an overall length on the blade of 4 inches and 1/4 of the whole entire blade. We're also looking at a 5-inch handle. Altogether, we're looking a little over 9 inches of whole blade. I went with a blade thickness of 3.8 millimeters, and the weight is 4.6 ounces or 131 grams. So what I did do with the blade as well, I made sure that it was drawn in quite a ways in there for better stability and a lot more sturdiness. So this is nice and tight and it's not loose whatsoever. That made it really nice and tight, and the line lock here is very sturdy as well. It's not going to go anywhere. Now, I would not use this knife for any type of heavy batoning. I would use it for light batoning. Of course, it does very well at feather sticking. This knife is not intended for heavy batoning use. I am drawing up a concept for a companion for a fixed blade for this knife. This would be a secondary knife that you would use, like I said before, for light bushcrafting tasks, processing game, processing food, and also light camp chores. Okay, so the other thing I went with is a 3.8 millimeter spine. I wanted to go with something a little bit thicker than a Mora. I believe a Mora is 2.9 or 2.8, 2 point something around that millimeter range. Now 3.8 is still going to make a really great slicer, just for the fact that it is a flat grind, and I am going to demonstrate. It is super sharp. I am going to get paper here, and this D2 blade is very finely sharp. As you can see, it cuts very well. So the other thing I did ask to get put on this knife is a 90-degree spine to strike a ferro rod as well. As you can see, very good sparks. I did want to show you where the clip goes as well. As you can see, very easy to deploy and super easy to put back in your pocket. Everyone, so I am gonna have these on my website. I don't exactly know when I'm gonna have all the orders in. I am gonna have them in the G10 black, and I am also gonna have them in the G10 orange. I haven't decided on a price point yet. I will keep everybody informed. Like I said, I am gonna put my website in the description, and I am also gonna pop it up in the screen like that. You can find out more information about this really cool knife. Please do let me know what you think of it, everyone. Please also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Please like, comment, and share this video. Please also do subscribe if you like my videos. And as always, everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.